Hello friends, I'm your new friends, the Science Geek. Today I'm going to talk about how mirages happens. So let's move on to the topic. You all know the mirage typically happen on hot days when the ground heats up, creating a temperature gradient in the air above it. As you move higher above the ground, the air temperature can decrease. So let me see how the light is refracting. Light travels at different speed through air with different temperatures. Hot air is less dense and has a lower refractive index, while cooler air is denser and has a higher refractive index. When light passes from a hotter region to cooler region, it changes a direction or bend. When light from a distant object like a car or a pool of water passes through the layers of air with varying temperatures, it undergoes multiple refractions. These refraction cause the light rays to curve, creating an optical illusion of an inverted or displaced image of the object. So let me see about the visual perceptions. Our brains interpret the bent light rays to trace back the path of light, leading us to see the object as if it were located at the point where the refracted rays converge. This illusion makes the object appear closer or higher than its actual positions, resulting in a mirage. Mirages are commonly observed on hot roads, deserts, or over bodies of water, where the temperature difference between the ground and the air is more pronounced. They are not physical objects, but rather a trick of light and our brain's interpretations of the light, making them a fascinating and often puzzling sight.